Hey guys, today I'm back with these two manis for you. These manis were both created for the A to Z nail art challenge. I've done it a few times since we've been in quarantine, where every week they give a theme out depending on what letter of the alphabet they are. So the topic for the past few weeks was G for gradient and H for Halloween, so I thought I'd just combine the two into one video, and I hope you enjoy. So I started off with painting my nails with a Can-Do Attitude from Essie. It's a lovely light green colour. And then I just applied some liquid latex while that was drying. So I'm creating a gradient for this because obviously the challenge was gradient. And I'm using a Recovery and Dandelion from Picture Polish, and obviously Can-Do Attitude, which is the base colour. So here I am with a latex-free makeup sponge, and I'm just applying the strips of colour to the sponge from dark to light. And then after two coats, I'm just dabbing it on my nail in a sideways motion. And then I just applied a second coat. And then I just kept going, dabbing away until I build up the opacity I want. And once I was done, I just peeled off the liquid latex and did some cleanup with acetone. And here I am with my Mo London animal. I'll leave what number it is below. It's the llama plate. I'm just stamping these little dots because I thought they were really cool. And I wanted to jazz up the the gradient a little bit. And I'm back again with a cleanup brush. And finally, a glossy top coat. And there you go, that's how I did the G for gradient, and I think these came out really cute. I could wear these all the time. I'm a sucker for a green nail. So the next mani is for H for Halloween, and I've probably said this on my channel before, but I'm a massive fan of Halloween. I love Halloween. And I hadn't had a chance to use the new stamping plates I bought last Halloween, so I was so excited to get to use them. So I started off with painting my nails with two coats of Cyber from Cert Colours. It's from their new Vice collection, and this is so neon green it like almost broke my camera nearly. And then with my Mo London Halloween, I think it's O2 plate, I stamped a little cat in the jack-o'-lantern. So cute. Leaving it on the stamper, I'm just using the yellow from the Vice collection for its eyes, and then a hollow pink for his ears and his nose, and then the orange from the Vice collection, which is called Super Freak, for the pumpkin. So here I am with a glossy top coat and a makeup sponge. I'm applying it to the sponge and then just dabbing it on my nail to create a sticky base. And while that polish was still tacky, I stamped on the little cat. And then with my Mo London Festive, I think this is the 61 plate, I stamped in black. I stamped the other little cat. Leave it on the stamper again, I'm using Super Freak to fill in the pumpkin. And then a dark grey for the rest of the body because I couldn't use black. And same as the other nail, I'm just creating a sticky base with the sponge and top coat. And stamp the cat on my nail. Then with that same festive plate, I'm using a white polish this time and stamping these little jack-o'-lanterns that look like hearts. It's cute. Again, leaving it on the stamper, I'm just using Super Freak again, and I'm filling in the hearts. And then creating a sticky base again with the sponge. And stamped them on my nails, and this was my index and pinky fingers. I did it twice. And here I am just doing a bit of cleanup. But you can't hardly see anything. And finally, a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, these Halloween cat nails. I love these, they're so cool. And the Cert Colours Vice collection, Neons, is the new collection, and I recommend buying them. They are amazing. I know people have raved about them on the internet before, and I was like, yeah, alright then. But I actually bought these ones, and they are great. They live up to their expectations. And there you go, the two designs. I hope you enjoyed this video. Tell me which one's your favourite in the comment below, and give this video a huge thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe would be good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!